Hi guys, welcome back to SQL with Ravimartha. This is part 4 of SQL Server Management Studio tips and tricks. In this session, we will learn 3 simple tips and tricks. First one is, we usually write queries select star from particular table. If you want to replace that star with specific column list, how to do that? Or most probably we will use columns with comma separation. Let's see how we can do that. The second one is how to add line numbers in SSMS. Whenever if you have a stored procedure which is containing some 2000 lines of code, right? It says the error at 612th line. So at the time you have to go to that particular line to debug the code. So by enabling these line numbers, it would make life easy to debug that code. The third one is to wrap the text in SSMS. So if the particular select statement is extending, right, it will go beyond the pane, right? At the time we can wrap the text to make it easy for reading. Let's go back to SQL Server Management Studio and start exploring these 3 tips and tricks. Right, now we are in SQL Server Management Studio. I want to go to AdventureWorks 2017, go to the tables. Let's take a person's address. Let me query that. Select star from person dot address. Just drag and drop so that it will give the table name. Select it, execute. So we are getting the column list. So instead of star, I want to replace it with the column names. For that, one simple method is just right click on the table, then go to script table as select star 2. So now you have select with all the columns with comma separation. So if you want to only 3 of the columns, if you want to remove some columns, you can do that, and you can use. So we can easily replace the stars with this column list. This is quite simple, pretty straightforward, but if you in real time, if you have a table with some 150 columns, right? Example, so that would become tedious. So this is the one of the easiest step, right? The next one is, let me copy this again. Let me write select star instead of star. I want to replace the column list. Now expand the column, the table, right? So it is closed now. Expand this, go to the columns, expand this list. Now from the columns, just click and hold the column and drag it now. So now you have all the column list from that particular table. So it came the list. I just need to keep the mouse pointer there after select so that it will go to this. Now if we execute this, we got this list of columns with comma separation. And if you see, the column list went off the pane, right? This particular pane. Now what we can do, the simple trick is go to tools, options, click on the options. Now go to the text editor. Under that, go to the all languages. Now we have option for word wrap, right? And also we have option for line numbers. So this is the second and third tips and tricks. Just click on those two and click OK. So now we have the option. So we have a symbol here which says the column list went to the next line, and we have also line numbers here. So that's it, and you can try it out. And we can also these line numbers are useful whenever we have the code of multiple lines. For example, let me open this stored procedure, script stored procedure to new query editor window. And if you see these many lines of code, if say there is an error at 29th line, so we can go to this particular line directly. And there's one more easy way that you can click on, you can use Ctrl+G, that's a shortcut to that. And if I want to go to 29th line, just put Ctrl+G and type the line number you want to go to and click OK. That's it. You'll be routed to that particular line. So that's it for today. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.